Every cell in your body is keeping you alive right now. Not as a team. Not cooperatively. Each one, individually, burning fuel, managing resources, defending its territory. The moment your heart stops, a cascade begins. Not slowly. Not peacefully. A rapid, precise, cell-by-cell series of events that science has mapped in stunning detail. What happens to your body in the first second after death, and in the days that follow, is one of the most fascinating stories in all of biology. The moment the heart stops, blood stops carrying oxygen to your cells. Brain cells, among the most energy-hungry in the body, begin dying within 4 to 6 minutes. But here's what most people don't know: death isn't a single moment. It's a process. Clinical death, no heartbeat, no breathing, can be reversed. People have been brought back after 30, 40, even 60 minutes of clinical death in cold water, where the body's metabolism slows dramatically. Biological death is different. This is when cells begin dying at a rate that can't be reversed. The brain goes first, the liver and kidneys follow within hours. Skin cells can survive for days. Your fingernails and hair don't continue growing after death. That's a myth. What actually happens is that the skin dehydrates and retracts, making nails and hair appear longer. The body isn't doing anything, it's simply shrinking. Within hours of death, the body begins digesting itself. Enzymes that were kept safely inside cells begin leaking out, and they do what enzymes do: break things down. Cells dissolve from the inside out. Meanwhile, the trillions of bacteria that live in your gut, your microbiome, are no longer being managed by your immune system. They expand, they move, they begin consuming you. This is where the chemistry becomes remarkable. The decomposing body releases nutrients that feed the soil. Trees and plants within a meter of a decomposing body show measurable acceleration in growth. Your atoms, the carbon, the nitrogen, the oxygen, become available again. They enter the soil. They enter plants. They enter the animals that eat those plants. You will, in a very real and chemical sense, become part of everything around you. Scientists are now using human decomposition research at specialized outdoor facilities to learn things that help solve crimes, improve forensic medicine, and even inform how we should think about burial practices. One of the most surprising findings: the human body has a unique chemical signature when it decomposes. Dogs trained on this signature can locate remains buried years later. The body, even in death, is still communicating. Researchers have also found that decomposing bodies create islands of fertility in soil, measurably richer patches that support distinct plant communities for decades after death. The body doesn't end, it transforms, it feeds, it changes the environment around it for years. Death isn't an ending in the biological sense, it's a transition from one form of complex chemistry to many others. The atoms in your body right now have been part of countless other living things before you: stars, bacteria, dinosaurs, ancient forests. You are, temporarily, the current arrangement of matter that has been around since the beginning of the universe. Subscribe for a new science exploration every week, and comment below. Knowing what happens to the body after death, does it change how you think about life?